Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Changhong Ruba Smart TV service menu. Make sure your TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Changhong Ruba infrared remote control. Always take photos of the original settings before making any changes. Wrong adjustments may cause display or software problems. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1 is the most effective Changhong Ruba service menu code. This method works on most Changhong Ruba Smart TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 1999 in sequence. The Changhong Ruba service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2 is an alternative service menu code. Then press 0000 in sequence. On some Changhong Ruba models, this opens the factory or service menu. Method 3 uses the TV panel button. This method works on some older and mid-range Changhong Ruba TVs. Press and hold the volume down button on the TV panel. While holding it, press the input or source button on the remote 3 times. The factory or service menu will open. After entering the service menu, you will see advanced options. You can check panel information and panel type. You can view the software version and factory data. You can access white balance and calibration settings. You can enable or disable store or demo mode. You can also check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the service menu safely. Press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV starts without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your Changhong Ruba Smart TV problem, please like this video. Share this video with friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.